Hello and welcome back to our questions and answers videos. Which of the following financial products are offered by a regular broker? Is it A, currency pairs, B, stock indices, C, gold, D, silver? This was a little bit of a trick question as there is no wrong answer. Obviously, the correct answer was A, B, C, and D. How many Forex trading sessions are there on a regular trading day? Is the correct answer A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, or 4, D? The wrong answers are A, 1, B, 2, and D, 4. The correct answer is C, 3. This includes the New York, London, and Tokyo trading sessions. What makes a good Forex broker? Is it A, regulation, B, low spreads, C, diverse financial products, or D, all of the above? The wrong answers are A, regulation, B, low spreads, and C, diverse financial products. The correct answer is D, as all of these things are important. You should not trade with a brokerage firm that is not regulated, nor should you trade with high spreads, as it takes away from your profit potential. Diverse financial products are important, as well as it gives you an opportunity to trade the global markets from several different angles and take care of plenty of opportunities.